Trending stars.
He recently released Echo's EP and he's been missing in the music industry for quite some time. Where has he been and what does he have for us? This is Trending Star and I am Adina Fechunga, and today we have Tsar.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so can you just tell us, unasowa the music industry, but unasowa, where have you been?
Actually, I've been around, but then I've been in the studio. Let me just put it that way. But then I've been working. Yeah, I've been making music. I'm always home recording actually, so I'll take that. So, okay. Yeah, I've been around. Trust me.
He's been around.
But I wasn't just putting out the music out here. So, but then I've been around.
Trending stars.
You've recently dropped the Echoes EP. Okay. Actually, Murumanga Mwed, I don't know why I keep calling it from the Echoes. I don't know why. It's just Echoes.
Just Echoes. Yeah,
Echoes.
Just Echoes. Yeah. Just Echoes.
Okay. Then can you just tell us, could you go the 100 Aims? The record label, is it your management? What's 100 Aims?
So actually, 100 Aims, it's a record label. It's based in Israel, but so actually they approached me to do a project with them.
Yeah.
So I did a project with them. It was like an EP with they're gonna do the distribution and everything. Yeah. So I was like the face of the project. It's like me and them working together.
Yeah.
It's a joint. Let me just put it that way.
All right. Yeah. So I think Ababa, the EP should be a week and some days old.
I think it's been 4. I think 4 days.
Yeah.
All right. But then the video is a week old.
Yeah.
The leading single, Josanga, with
Maselba. Yeah. Can you just tell us who the recipient and what's the feedback like?
Yeah, the feedback is very nice. You know, the comment and say negative. I so my guys mabara, this and that.
Yeah.
But then good music takes time. So I've been away. I've been making music. I've been trying to find something new. I was trying to find myself.
Yeah.
So,
okay, you were trying to find yourself.
Yes.
You have done rap a little bit.
I've done rap. I think I've done everything. I've done everything.
There, have you found yourself yet now?
I have.
But nobody would. Did expect Tsari or Anji?
You should expect new music anyway, because Ababa and Mabanga guys are EPs. So now it's a joint EP.
Yeah.
I already have my own projects that are coming out. So yeah, just wait for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
The founding that he did find in himself is going to come up very soon. So be on the lookout.
Actually, just be on the lookout.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I was listening to the EP and I've seen the collaboration list. Indeed, it's very interesting.
Yeah,
how did you go about choosing who to feature in the EP?
Okay. I would say, okay, when I'm working on a song, it's that simple. And for example, the first song, Tema, Tema used to do that kind of music.
Yeah.
She used to sing before she started on piano and stuff. Yeah. So me and Tema have been working like so I think perfect match the second song, Popiangi, would also like jump on this. The Joan song. Of course, my mother Senegal in the Meniga Karemo, and Ali Mosagari, we took them out. At the end of the day, I think myself did a great job. Yeah.
Okay, somewhere taken. How did they feel? And I would see it was just, I think the song without them is gonna sound better.
And then I'm my feelings. It's okay because and also the name was so it's all good. Yeah, trust me.
All right.
You'd be surprised. I mean, I'm not many more. What happened? One of the things, what I can say is, by the time I came off Nigano Gubanga, Guinea would use Sangrasi Mode. you have to make sure whatever is coming out, it should be perfect for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And listening to the EP, is it a love EP? Because I think playlist
Yeah, it's a love thing. It's a love, yeah, the whole concept. It's about love songs.
Okay, so how did the echoes come about?
Actually, okay, the echoes. Actually, there's an article. I think I'll post it on my page.
Okay.
You should go check the description of the whole EP. I think I'll just leave you guys to it. Just go and read it about it.
Okay.
Because we didn't have photo of us and
In brief, just in brief.
Okay, it's a reflection of love anyway. It's a reflection of love, how you feel, how you take it, and what you think about it. So that's why if you can listen to the first one, it's a whole different concept.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not a storyline.
I know it's not really. No, not really.
It's just love in general.
Just can be ready in the final.
Yeah.
Ready and final. I think the last one is final. The first one is ready. You just go. It's a whole different vibe of love songs. More siana, but the concept is the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trending stars.
You released an EP, if it was not an album.
The Illusion of Love.
Yeah, The Illusion of Love.
It was an album.
It was an album, yeah. Kena gotinazangona yasoabo
By internet.
by internet. We're not, city we base that.
Okay.
I was wondering,
So actually, when I was making that project, actually I enjoyed making that project because I was in my zone. You know how go? There's a lot of confusion, and then bila mafuna uzibanga zimendewa mafuna. Yeah, there's too much pressure. I used to see this ubanga go easy. It's like there's too much pressure everywhere. And I know, and I've seen a lot of and they still expect to do like I always get this thing, everyone says, then by the other side. I'm always gonna say this. The other side is not that song can never be trust me. By the other side, like, why can we just move on? There's a lot of music. I have good music, they miss it. They focus on the past. Instead aone kuti muntu jwalusa nyimbo zanje atafatsa kale basi nikuvera nyimbo zimene na rusa even pakati before you see kuti it's nyimbo zabe ndikuopsha komando they don't just get the concept because I understand that's what made me kuma they have to understand kuti muntu untenda you have to move on singangomanga chintu chimwe mpana kale komando if you listen to my previous project The Illusion of Love from track 1 mpana kumalizira you understand what I'm saying. Trust me, you understand. You should go check it out. And by internet. It's on all streaming platforms. You find it, yes.
Okay, so if you're a fan of Illusions of Love and then you're like, it's back, make sure you go have, a listening ear to it. He is still making good music.
You should go listen more faster, so like take your time. Listen to the whole concept because that album in this storyline.
Yeah.
When you listen to the first song, it's so that nango yimba kuti okay nyimbo iyi kale number 1 nyimbo iyi number 2 it's well prepared. It took me 2 years to make that piece of work.
Yeah.
So the nango dzuka mama kuti okay find bangejani find bangaba no it took me time and it's one of the reasons I wasn't out there. And people can believe no actually 2 years on the year 3 years.
3 years, yeah.
Nyimbo zina zakale kale makabuti nazibanga yugodi kuma just go back where the messages ukufunika wenjizirapo zina like that.
Trending stars.
Now, talking about Good and Tamanina, we want you to do another track like the way you did on the other side. Do you think Good Malawians appreciate your craft enough?
I don't think so, trust me. At that point, not really. Because the nyimbo zongati kuzimena kunikamba zote the other side is I should do those kind of music. Nyimbo zondi nazo and trust me I have a lot of songs. The nyimbo za mibzo zinarugi. nkoza kutopa ntende moto satay. Koma thing is I'll put it out, it don't make sense. Mwina kanko akuzongobwera ngopanga zake koma when you know quality yako Malawi kuno what sense when I miss ene timalembana I feel like most artists ambiri akamala mu studio amakangoyimba kuti ndithane mu Malawi mumu. They don't actually see the future. You know what, let's make music for the whole world. Siruimba nyimbo zatabuka ndiveseza muzaone kuti let's say kuti anthu akunjaje china Wizkid, let's say Inarema, they make music for everyone. Okay, now participating in wow, this and that. Yes, I understand. But when you see and when you listen to the music, you just it's quality. Because we're gonna say good language is a barrier. That's impossible. We all understand. Antuma vya nyimbo za kunja. Playlist ya anthu ambiri zimakhala za kunja. Kumala kuno kusudi ndweni. Komano munthu ena akakhaula imba bela ngechizungujo amadana nacho kuti how are you supporting munthu akunja? Ife ya munthu wanga songale zomwezo. Komano you don't want to support us. Make it make sense. You see? Zimakhala choncho. That's what I know.
Okay, as an artist, what are you doing? Good Malawians should actually know good Tsario. You're here to stay, and see good you're going to change the way you actually put out your music out there. Good, this is the type of music I'm making. Good, it's for all countries across international and everything like that.
Yeah, what I can say is I'm just going to continue making good music. I'm going to do that. Now, at least I try. I make sure, okay, they complain, and I'm like, I do that, and I've done that.
We have done what they asked.
Yes, I've done that before. I did Misozi. I did, what do you call this? Ambuye and Gwamba. I did a lot of Jijawa songs. What did they say? Jijawa so si Mumvera bwino. Kazigamba so jizungu. What are you saying? You want me to do it? Mfana ndimba Jijawa. Ndakubasa nyimbo za Jijawa. So Mumvera bwino. Kuma no Tsari on the other side. Which I go back to that. So uzimba Jijawa like what do you want really? You understand?
Yeah.
Right? So that's the thing.
Okay. All right. Now, still talking of your music. I don't know. When in Agale Gudi you're making music, you're Gudi and Tuso Gunjago, they should actually accept it, Now talking of Balantwenori, you started the music industry together, Komamwina they're in a lot another level than you are. How do you take that as an artist? So what are you doing Gudi Mwina as Malawians, We should get used to Gudi guys, Gudi Talio, he's good and we're appreciating your art like that.
Actually, I don't know how to answer that. Komano pamuntu olamina kuti bazola basen. Anthu pena matawa mbya limodzi koma suli mu matawa yenda njira yofanana. Unesa malenga njira yake angakwanitse. So maybe whatever what you're talking about kuti banthu ena ake makuti kuti malevels encha na asiyane ndi njira imene anatenga iwo imene anaona ngati akhoza kukwanitsa. Yes, I'm going to say, at the end of the day, we are making music. It's amazing that take us into the ways. Let me just because the audience would anyone in Malawi has made it until we go international. We still struggle in my moment to say to limba na begudishan should go international. So you never know who's gonna really make it. You may be in Agudi Agwera Gumeni who are international banga represent Malawi yose kabina muntu uyu nago agarigara nlebo gari. So manova wouldn't say no one is winning. Trust me. Ngati kuti muzina kuti vanova we are winning nde kuti ruzina imeza because vanova tungo banga nyimbo zomwe za kumaya kuti sizingapite so winaso. Mandiveseza. Koma ngati nyimbo ngati tose tuimba nyimbo tukufunika kuti nyimbo zozifike kose. Pamene was the one you say kuti ngati mene banga Nigeria muja na Diamond they are winning because they are international. They also are recognized.
Kuma Grammys amafika.
Amabilo ma Grammys amafika kuma nefe kumala kuno kusiti nafike. We're not there yet.
Okay.
But what I can say is at least Tenti is saying kuti Tenti mangeni nyimbo zokuti at least zibira somebody else. Zamungothira mu mai momo.
Now you've talked of that. Kuti tizibanga nyimbo zokuti zisathele Malawi mokhamuno. What steps do you think Kuti my steps are already tatenga music yet we can break the boundaries kuti we can go international?
Okay, like I already said, the key is when you go in the studio if you're making music forever, because music is a tool, they say tikulosela basi kuzobanga relate. Anthu amaimba nyimbo kunja kuja ndikubwera ku Africa kuonoka kuti nyimbo zija ndikupanga sense kuti amuthu akula zimene tani things I'm going through. And if it's most of the times we're just gonna do that songs or zingupanga relate kumala kuno kuoka nyimbo zeso ndithera kuno kuoka. You see whether this na kuti aliwemba nyimbo chabwino chakachose walani wayakamoto. Kuti mala ino kayamudziwa. What's next? What are you expecting? Is that terrible? Kuti zizoke there's nothing left. Jongo funa kuti yambo dani kumanga kwina kuti dipitire kumene ngoko. That's indimene ndikuona pano bandi chimene chocho. Pano basi singama masondazi amala azatu.
Yeah.
It's better to say we get limozi timangezo kuti dani we should actually spread the music out there. Samango sunga momo.
Okay. Now 2025 itayamba, you have dropped an EP. What should we expect next from Talio?
Yes, I'll actually concentrate on a tour. Shows. We actually have shows Kuzomba, Blantyre, Lungwe Gunogo, and the Ambirira show is by 7 June. It's a birthday bash, it's my birthday.
Yeah.
I have my friends, they're going to support me. My artists, you have Chewi Gise, Tema, Toast, there's me actually, and Charisma as well. So, yeah, it's 7 June. Ngati magazi mnandi so ajanjani tene ndikambe nokumana first interaction ikambo kha kumene koko ndimatowa ena amene ndipita ku Blantyre ku Nzuzuko. I'll give out information on my page about that actually. So but for now that's my next move.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, interacting with your fans.
Yes.
Okay. Now you talked about you were in the studio, that's why you were missing on the music industry. Can you just tell us what life experiences have you faced and how are they going to shape your music so it should become better?
For the past few years, I can say 2 years. It's been an experience, trust me. It's fine, you go through some darkest time. This and all that, yeah. But then I would say it was a very peaceful 2 years for me. Trust me. It was very peaceful. I was making music, I was enjoying it. I didn't have to stress waking up with my internet like it's like I was a ghost.
Yeah.
You see? I was free, no longer as men phone. And this is like I say, good life. This and that. Like I don't want to talk about that right now.
Yeah.
But then what I can say is it's been 50-50. It's been good, it's been bad.
Yeah.
But I would say it's been peaceful 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I learned my lesson, because I would say I know where I went wrong. And I have to do this to write things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you found your peace, you found yourself.
Yeah.
Kudos to that. And for someone that's starting new in the music industry, they're feeling left out because of how they deliver their music, because of the genre that they're doing. What advice can you just tell them? I would say, I've always say this. If you know you have talent, and you know you're good at something, like umata piano, umata afro, umata hip hop, just do what you have to do. Because I just feel like I got a lot of people trying to fit in. They're trying to fit in too much. This and that. You see, Antoine Agumavis of that center, Lenny Menalimo, Agupita Lenina, and they're also actually like losing focus. But then what I can say is, if you're good at something, just continue doing that. Okay.
That's what I can say.
All right. If you're good at something, continue doing that. And I think Ineso, if I'm good at something, guys, I'm just gonna continue doing what I know best. And this has been Trending Star. And today we had Talio. He just released Echoes. It's on all streaming platforms. Make sure you get your time and listen to it. It's all love. Mubezego my dedication wabasa your loved ones. And I am Marina Fichunga. Let's meet again in the next episode of Trending Star.
Trending stars.